What is vitamin A? Though vitamin A is commonly thought of a singular nutrient, it's vary the name for a bunch of fat-soluble compounds. Together with axarephthol, retinol and retinol esters their square measure two varieties of vitamin A found in food. Preformed vitamin A, axarephthol and retinol esters, happens solely in animal product, like dairy farm, liver and fish, whereas provitamin carotenoids square measure superabundant in plant foods like fruits, vegetables and oils. To use them, your body should convert each varieties of vitamin A to retinol and retinoic acid, the active varieties of the alimentation. Because vitamin A is fat-soluble, it's hold on in body tissue for later use. Most of the vitamin A in your body is unbroken in your liver within the variety of retinol esters. These esters square measure then dampened into all trans retinol, that binds to axarephthol binding macromolecule RBP. It then enters your blood. At that purpose your body will use it functions in your body. Vitamin A is crucial for your health, supporting cell growth, immune operate, vertebrate development and vision. Perhaps one among the known functions of vitamin A is its role in vision and eye health. Retinol, the active variety of vitamin A, combines with the macromolecule protein to make visual purple, a molecule necessary for vision and low light vision. It conjointly helps defend and maintain the tissue layer, the outmost layer of your eye, and therefore the mucosa, a skinny membrane that covers the surface of your eye and inside your eyelids. Additionally, vitamin A helps maintain surface tissues like your skin, intestines, lungs, bladder and internal ear. It supports immune operate by supporting the expansion and distribution of T cells, a kind of white corpuscle that protects your body from infection. What's a lot of vitamin A supports healthy skin cells, male and feminine copy and vertebrate development. Health edges. Vitamin A is a very important nutrient that edges health in many ways. Potent inhibitor provitamin A carotenoids like keratin, alpha-carotene and beta-cryptoxanthin square measure precursors of vitamin A and have inhibitor properties. Carotenoids fight free radicals, extremely reactive molecules which will hurt your body by making aerobic stress. Oxidative stress has been connected to numerous chronic diseases like polygenic disorder, cancer, cardiopathy and psychological feature decline. Diets high in carotenoids square measure related to a lower risk of the many of those conditions, like cardiopathy, carcinoma and polygenic disorder. Essential for eye health and prevents degeneration. Adequate dietary intake of vitamin A helps defend against sure eye diseases, like age-related degeneration (AMD). Studies show that higher blood levels of keratin, alpha-carotene and beta-cryptoxanthin could cut back your risk of AMD by up to 25. This risk reduction is connected to antioxidant nutrients. Protection of macular tissue by lowering levels of aerobic stress may defend against sure cancers due to their inhibitor properties. Carotenoid-rich fruits and vegetables could defend against sure varieties of cancer. For example, a study in over 10,000 adults determined that smokers with the best blood levels of alpha-carotene and beta-cryptoxanthin had a 46th and 61 lower risk of dying from carcinoma, severally, than non-smokers with very cheap intake of those nutrients vital for fertility and vertebrate development. Vitamin A is crucial for each male and feminine copy. As a result of it plays a job in gamete and egg development. Boosts your system. Vitamin A impacts immune health by stimulating responses that defend your body from diseases and infections. Vitamin A is concerned within the creation of sure cells, together with B and T cells, that play central roles in immune responses that guard against sickness. A deficiency during this nutrient results in inflated levels of pro-inflammatory molecules that diminish system response and performance. Vitamin A absolutely impacts health by keeping aerobic stress under control, boosting your system and protective against sure diseases. Deficiency. Though vitamin A deficiency is rare in developed countries just like the North American country, it's common in developing countries, as these populations could have restricted access to food sources of preformed vitamin A and provitamin carotenoids. Vitamin A deficiency will result in severe health complications. According to the World Health Organization, vitamin A deficiency is the leading explanation for preventable vision defect in youngsters worldwide. Less severe symptoms of vitamin A deficiency embody skin problems like hyperkeratosis and skin disorder. Food sources. Their square measure several dietary sources of each preformed vitamin A and provitamin carotenoids. Preformed vitamin A is a lot of promptly absorbed and utilized by your body than plant-based sources of provitamin carotenoids. Your body's ability to effectively convert carotenoids, like keratin, into active vitamin A depends on several factors, together with genetic science, diet, overall health and medications. For this reason, those that follow plant-based diets, particularly vegans, ought to be alert regarding obtaining enough carotenoid-rich foods. Foods highest in preformed vitamin A are egg yolks, beef liver, liverwurst, butter, cod liver oil, chicken liver, salmon, cheddar cheese, liver sausage, king mackerel, trout. Foods high in provitamin carotenoids like keratin embody sweet potatoes, pumpkin, carrots, kale, spinach, dandelion greens, cabbage, Swiss chard, red peppers, collard greens, parsley, butternut squash.